Henry Disston and Sons, the company, founded by Henry Disston of Philadelphia, was the predominant maker of saws throughout the 19th century. This example of an 8-inch brass-backed tenon saw comes from the earliest days of the company, is indicated by the fact that it is marked only with Disston's name before his sons joined the business. It also has two eagle trademarks stamped into the back, making it a very rare double eagle model. You can tell that it has been well used and sharpened many times by the narrowness of the blade, but it is otherwise in very clean condition.